We are saying that it is necessary that there should be peace in this country, and that whoever that is aggrieved for engaging in this heinous act should endeavor to accept the federal government's dialogue process.